Hey, what's up? Christian from Baja Designs. Let me show you around the crib. Welcome to the lobby of Baja Designs. This is where the magic happens. This is a display of some of our offerings. We bring this to shows, let people check out the lights, check out the Bantam units where the magic happens. This is our warehouse where we hold all the inventory. This is production over here where the magic happens. I'll show it to you. This is production. We got S-Pod getting made over here. We got warranties. We got my boys over here doing stuff. These are actually some of the things in line in production. Infrared boards for military applications. And they're just gonna go over there and just got hidden lights and everything good to go. That's it for our tour. I got some lights to deliver, so get the hell out of here.